Okay. Yeah. See, so what is the intention of this workshop is to give you a complete roadmap of next generation of web development. So first I will explain all the concept, and towards the end, if you have any doubts, any issues, then we can take one by one the questions from you, and we will clarify your doubts. Okay, right. Now, actually, what is this next generation web development? How it is different? What we are planning for our students and the modern web developers with this course? So I will give a complete overview. Actually, next generation development is nothing but it represents a new era of web and app development. Now, web and app development is not just like traditional. We are in the new era of web development where we have to evolve from static systems to intelligent, adaptive, and automated digital experiences. That is the main aim. So, why I given this as next gen web development as title? Because here next generation development means it is not like traditionally how you are doing earlier, basic development. Now we need to make more intelligent, adaptive, and automated digital experiences in both web and app development. Actually, it integrates latest technologies like AI, automation, cloud computing, and advanced UI frameworks to create dynamic, data driven, and context aware applications. That is the main purpose actually. That is the main concept, right? Yeah, I hope now you have a clear view of the presentation, right? You have a clear view of presentation, everyone, right? Okay, okay. So let's see. So I hope everyone understood I why I given the concept of next generation web development, because our intention is to train the developers, learners on modern AI technologies also evolving from the traditional approach. That is the main concept. Okay, so what is the main purpose of this next generation is we have to integrate the latest technologies like artificial intelligence, AI, automation, cloud computing, and advanced UI frameworks to create dynamic, data driven, and context aware applications. That is the main purpose. So, actually, Traditional web development comprises of general HTML, CSS, and building responsive pages. But now we are evolving more from responsiveness. We are evolving more from responsiveness. I will explain what are the main characteristics of next generation development. See, the main characteristics of next generation development, first important is we have to learn how to build intelligent systems. That means not just building user interface. We need to learn how to build intelligent systems. What intelligent systems can do is that can learn and adapt according to the user data. That means, for example, you are using a e-commerce site like Amazon, Flipkart, or some shopping application. What the shopping application earlier used to do is just display the products that they have. But now what intelligent systems are doing is these intelligent systems are not showing the products that they have. They are showing the products that you may like. That means how an application knows what you like, how application learns what you like, how it adapts itself and shows suggestions related to the interest of the user, and how it will display the contents relative. This is what a new generation development needs. So that means we need intelligent systems that learn and adapt according to the user data. Not only that, we need automation in workflows. Workflow automation and decision making is important. That means nothing but automate workflows is nothing but you finished selecting your product, then automatically that product related data is sent to your cart, and automatically its price will be updated. There may be changes in the price before you selected and after it is in the cart. This all comes under like automation in the workflow. So you need to build intelligent systems. You need to design automation in the workflows. You need to implement microservices and serverless architectures. You need to implement these architectures to make the applications lightweight, faster. We need to create a real-time, very attractive interactivity, like by using technologies like React, Next.js, and WebSockets. We need to integrate APIs, artificial intelligence APIs, for smarter user interface. That means we must able to build applications with intelligence. Applications not just traditional, but they can learn, they can adapt according to the user interest. So this is the main concept of the next generation web development. That means a next generation web developer must able to do all this. That means when I say that next generation development means apps that can think, that can learn, and that can respond intelligently. Earlier, we don't have such type of apps, but now it is the generation of such type of apps. Even traditional learning of web development, earlier we don't have all these. For our previous batches, when we train people on other technologies, this artificial intelligence was not at that high boom at that time, but now we need to adapt according to latest. So our intention is to design course in such a way that it meets the current industry requirements and the future generation of AI. That is our main intention of this course. I will more explain about what is AI role in the web design, how it works, what we need to know. I will go through those concepts one by one, step by step. I will explain. So, what is next generation development is the application can think, can learn, and can respond intelligently. So that means just think of Netflix. Netflix knows about what you are watching. Not only that, in the next attempt, it will show you what you may like to watch. So, this is the concept of AI. That means how it will analyze, how it will learn, how it will predict. So that means it can even predict. Remember, prediction means I'm not talking about data science. Actually, prediction is data science, but here not predicting the complete data. It is nothing but prediction learning about what user wants, what user is looking for, and give him the suggestions relative to his interest. This is one of the major point here. So if I say that next generation web development, that means I'm talking about making the applications that can be more intelligent than what earlier they are having. So this is the main concept of this. Let's see a simple overview of how actually the web evolved from previous and current. Current, what is trending? What is the generation? I will tell you. Let's see the concept. So you see here, we are having the web. How the web evolved, I hope some of you are aware of that, but I will give a clarity on this, what is going on in the current generation. Actually, web user interfaces have drastically evolved with a lot of changes. In the 1990s, our user interface used to be static. So that means just HTML pages. The key technologies we use is HTML, CSS, and all. That means they were not having interactions. They were static. Just we used to watch the content. We cannot interact with the content. In the early 2000s, we started dynamic web. That means they can start interacting with the users. The dynamic web can start interacting with the users like PHP, JSP, ASP. These are the technologies we use for dynamic interaction. That means database driven content. User can register, log in, can store his data, can view. After that, in 2010 and other onwards, we started the evolution of single page applications. So we call as SPA, that is single page applications. Single page applications, now currently most trending single page applications, you know, React, Angular, Vue, these are all used for building single page applications. Actually, they are component based user interfaces. I will not go technically into them. That means what is React, what is Angular. We will have separate discussions on those technologies in a later stage. I am currently explaining what a modern generation developer need to know. What are the concepts we are planning for a modern generation developer, and how we are introducing our new course that makes good impact in the current industry for modern developers. That is the aim to explain. So 90s have static web. In 2000, we have dynamic web. 2010, we have single page applications. Now 2020 onwards, we are into the intelligent UI. That means AI powered dashboards, just like I already explained. What is an AI powered dashboard? Nothing but it will not suggest you the products that they have, it will suggest you the products you may like. It will suggest you the products based on your interest. So AI powered dashboards, interactive chatbots, they can talk with you, they can interact with you, they can ask what you want, and they can curate a response that is suitable for your requirement and they can send you. So these are all done by using AI. They are done by using natural language. So the machine learning, APIs, all these are used for building intelligent UI. So web is now evolving towards intelligent UI. That is the reason our aim is to guide you and make you suitable for this intelligent user interface. Earlier, we were not doing that because earlier we are still working with single page applications. Even now we have single page applications, but the future is not just single page applications. It is intelligent user interface. It is a very intelligent user interface. So what is the meaning of intelligent user interface? Intelligent user interface means context aware interactions, context based interactions we can design, adaptive layouts and recommendations. We can design adaptive layouts and we can recommend users according to their requests. Language understanding, we can speak to the user and send the response to the user. So the designs, the interactions are more intelligent than what we were having earlier. This is the basic evolution. So you are in the generation of intelligent user interfaces. That means earlier we are having the basic static, then dynamic, then interactive and intelligent user interface. So I hope everyone understood this point. I hope everyone understood this point, right? So I hope you are clear in understanding the concept. So what is meant by artificial means what is meant by the modern era, right? Great. Okay, good. Okay, now what is the next important thing is you need to understand how we can build this, how we can build. Actually, the main concept is, as I told you, that so as I told you that AI, NLP, ML, APIs, these are all required for building intelligent UI. Earlier, you may have learned building UI, even if you are learning React, Angular, or Vue like technologies. So you learned how to build single page applications. But now the generation is moving forward of these single page applications. That means we need an intelligent user interface which comprises of AI. That means a general intelligence and automation. Generally, for examples for this AI is OpenAI, Azure AI, IBM, Watson. These are the examples of that. We generally use them for designing chatbots, for generating images. For that, we use these tools. So NLP is to understand the human language, like Chat GPT, Hugging Face, Google NLPs. Technically, I will explain about these in another session. That means in another situation, we will discuss about these tools. I'm giving you overview about what our course includes in the intelligent UI. We will include artificial intelligence related some use cases. We will include NLP, understanding the human language and interacting with the users. And we will learn about ML also. In that ML, we will learn how to make the data and make it more predictable. right? Data recommendations, predictions, how we can make. So this is what a modern UI generator developer needs to know. So that means we moved from websites that can display information to applications that understand the user intent. Actually, earlier websites used to just display information. Whatever they display, you use it, you watch it. But now generation is not that. Now generation is what user wants to see. We need to recommend it. We need to show what user likes to see. This is more intelligent user interface, more intelligent web development. This requires knowledge of lot of concepts to understand. We need to understand so many things to handle and design this. So technically, you need to understand the core principles of UX and AI role. We need to understand this major important point. Actually, traditional web development will not have all these, but the modern web development will have all these. So our intention, Naresh IT is now introducing you the new generation of web development course, where our idea is to make our developers understand the complete modern intelligent applications and able to build them. Traditional applications and intelligent applications, now we have a good demand for intelligence applications. Actually, what the core principles of user experience is, first you need to build application with good consistency. You need good speed. So we need good accessibility. We need good emotion to interact. So we need to personalize, adapt according to the behavior. These are all very important in user interface. So that means we are not just building UI, we are giving a good user experience. We are going to give a good user experience. So in our modern web development course, we are not just teaching a basic user interface. Now we are going to teach you how to build with a good user experience, how to add the experience. That means the real world application needs good consistency. They need speed, accessibility, they need personalization. And what is the AI role in this? What is the AI role in this all concept is recommending relevant content. Like you saw, I told you that YouTube, Netflix, they recommend relative content according to the interest of the user. Adapting the UI layouts dynamically. Adapting UI layouts dynamically is nothing but, for example, we have Spotify. So Spotify, Amazon. What they do is they personalize your experience. That means, for example, you have a daily routine, like you wake up early morning at certain time. And what do you know Spotify can do is it can curate a morning playlist for you. You are going to work out in a gym, Spotify can make a playlist for your gym, and it can even recommend you at certain time so that it can play that list for you. This kind of adapting UI layouts dynamically we can do by using this AI tools in our web development. Predicting the user intent, what user is looking for, what user may need more about this, that is predictions. Generating exactly what is required for the user according to the content requested by user. These are all required in the modern generation of web development. So, in the intelligent next generation web development, it is not just about the user interface, it is about the user experience also. So, we are going to teach our people, so our learners, the freshers, experience, everybody, not just the user interface, but also how to give the good experience. That means traditionally people are aware of just only building user interfaces, but we are now going to build an intelligent, interactive user interfaces. That is our main concept. That is the main point. For that, what you need to learn, that means what are the concepts we need to learn. Let's see a point about that. That means what are the concepts. Actually, we are now going to teach you a full stack integration with artificial intelligence also added into this. We are going to deliver you all the contents from the basic to advanced level for becoming a next generation web developer. That means what we are going to do is in this we are going to deliver front end with generally other tools are very basic. Complete roadmap I will give you later. So in the means to become a modern developer with the next generation artificial intelligence, what are the minimum requirements in the front end? We will use React and Next.js in this course. That means the course is tailored with all these options. We are teaching React with Next.js. We will learn backend Node.js, Express.js, not Django. We have Django for people like Python. In this, we have Node.js, Express.js. How do we create APIs? In the AI layer, we are adding this new layer into the full stack. Earlier, this layer is not there in full stack. Generally, full stack means front end, back end, these databases, cloud infrastructure people used to learn. But now we are adding a new layer into this. And that new layer is the AI layer. So in this AI layer, we will teach you, we will train you on designing intelligent apps. We are going to discuss how to build the intelligent applications. That means front end React actually what it will do, it will create a good user interface. It will render the components. It will collect the data from the user. This is what actually front end will do. Backend, what we will learn is API handling, authentications, database management. These we will learn in the backend. In artificial intelligence integration, AI integration, we will learn how to create text generations, how to create recommendations, how to predict, and how do we write the logic using AI tools. We will do that. But remember, we will not depend on AI. We will make use of AI. That is the intention of this course. That means we will not make our developers to depend on AI. Our developers will be perfect on developing applications. They can write their code, they can build everything seamlessly, and they can implement even if there is no support of AI. But in the modern generation, so for job opportunities and work, making the work easier and more better, we need to integrate these tools. That means we will learn how to use them, but we will not completely depend on them. We will make our developers to build applications manually and take help of AI and make them better. That is the main intention actually. So generally, why you need this full stack? For example, so you are designing a learning portal. When you are designing a learning portal, so suppose what user have to learn, those all concepts we show in the front end by using React. And whatever the data requires that we will handle by using Node.js and Express.js, we create APIs. And AI modules based on student performance, it will recommend the next lessons. Based on the performance, it will create an artificial intelligence dashboards showing the grade and everything. These are just examples. These are just examples. So technically, all these days we have the two layers in web development. One is the front end and the back end. Now we have a third layer in our web development. And what is the third layer? So what is the third layer we are adding into web development? I hope you got a clarity. So can you tell what is the third layer? The third layer is AI. So our web development is not just the traditional web development. We are adding a new layer into this now. So adding some AI tools and making the learners, developers understand the concept. Okay. So this is very important. Now the question is why you have to learn this? Why this next generation web development is now currently booming? What is the main concept? Because as I already explained, every company now wants intelligent web applications, not general static dynamic web application. We want intelligent web applications. This is the generation of intelligent web applications. We need AI powered user experience. That means, so we can identify the needs of user and provide the resources required for the user. We can identify the interest of user and we can provide the information about their interests according to their interests. Why this is booming? Because startups, enterprises needs full stack engineers, full stack software developers who can integrate AI in APIs easily. That means we want our developers to not just build web applications. We want our developers to build intelligent web applications. Intelligent web applications. That is the main concept of this point. So our intention is also same. Our intention is also same. That means why it is in high demand? Because why it is in high demand? Because so AI, because all the application needs artificial intelligence integrated dashboards. They need AI integrated dashboards. They need chatbots, virtual assistants. So they need predictive analytics dashboards. So they need smarter content. So they need personalized platforms. So these all cannot be easily built by using general traditional web development. You need to integrate artificial intelligence into this. So our intention is to make you build these all. That means generally developers who understand both React and AI, that means they have a good demand in the current market. They have a good demand in the current market. We have more demand for these people. So this new layer is now going to help you to get wide range of job opportunities, especially in the web development concepts, right? I hope you are clear in this point. Actually, if you add this into your profile, we have a lot of opportunities. What are the job roles for people who learn these concepts? You can work like a full stack developer with React, Node, and AI APIs. You can professionally put in your profile that you know AI APIs. We are going to train you on how to deal with AI. You can you can project yourself as a front end developer, as an AI integration specialist also. Means AI powered UI developer. So especially we have roles for web application developer with ML integrations, AI product developers, AI automated developers. These are all the profiles that suits you along with the web development. So generally industries like tech startups, e-commerce and retail people, education and healthcare, finance and banking systems, media, travel, customer support systems, all these people are asking for these kind of skill sets for web developers. That means companies are no longer hiring just React developers. They want engineers who can build end-to-end intelligent systems. If you know React APIs and some AI integration, that means you are ready. You are ready with a strong career so that you can challenge the modern web development. That means you can fulfill the challenges in modern web development, right? That is what actually the intention of this course, right? This is all about to add one more new layer into our web development and make you fit into that environment. Actually, what are the skills required for that? Generally, what are the basic skills required is in the front end, you will learn generally basics already, you know, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so jQuery, these all concepts you will learn. Along that, we are going to put these into our course so that they can help you in this. But some you have to learn in depth, some knowledge is enough. Actually, front end, we will learn React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS. We will learn Bootstraps also. We will learn in the backend Node.js, Express. We will learn how to create REST APIs. We will learn databases, MongoDB. And actually, in our course, we are adding MongoDB and MySQL. So we will use MySQL, MongoDB. Additionally, you can learn some databases like so Firebase and other database systems you can learn. AI tools are important for us. This, the third layer in AI tools, you are going to learn Open AI. You are going to learn how to handle these hug faces and language chain. In cloud related, you will learn the basics of AWS, Docker systems and all. And version control, we will have Git and GitHub, right? That means in addition to that, extra you can learn prompt engineering, UI, UX design principles, API integration and data visualizations, understanding ML model concepts. These are all basics we are going to teach you. That means a basics of prompt engineering, a basics of UI, UX design principles, and introduction to how to use ML models. So how we can add ML concepts into that, we can add into this. Actually, these all we are including into our new generation of web development course. Now, our web developers will be professional with all these skill sets, and these are having good demand in the current market. That means you don't need to become a data scientist here. Actually, our job is not to data scientist because predictions and all people think about data science. No, you don't need to become a data scientist. What you do is to understand how to connect UI with AI services. That means you will learn how to connect user interface with AI. Then they will become intelligent web applications, right? Because now currently we have good demand for people with these skill sets. And good packages are there across globally. And in India, we have so many good packages for the people, especially have these in their profile. So currently, people having these in their profile will have a good demand. That means they have a good demand. Actually, so the role you can see in various locations. For a React developer, we have packages from 6 to 12 lakh per annum. Globally, it is $60K to 100K. For full stack developer with React and Node, but the packages are now higher for the people who put AI integrated full stack developer. That means now you can make your profile not just as React developer or a full stack developer. You can just put your new profile as AI integrated full stack developer. That means these are having good demand in the market currently. So we have good pay scales for them. According to the latest analysis and research we made on various requirements, companies asking across various job portals, we have a simple overview of understanding how they are paying for fresher experienced people. This is approximate values of the requirements what they are asking. We done a small research on understanding how companies are now recently asking for developers, right? That means based on that we are planning the entire career. So that means the future proof career is nothing but combination of React plus AI. User UI, React and AI can easily increase 30 to 50% higher pay than a traditional React developer or web developer. That means a React developer or full stack web developer, more than that, you can have good packages if you put these AI integrated skills also in your profile. So that is the main concept actually. So let's see what we are going to learn in this entire course. I will give a simple overview of the course. Actually, first level, in the foundation, we will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and we will understand REST APIs and backend basics in the first level. We will divide this into various stages. After that, you will master the full stack after learning HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, and backend basics. You will master the full stack by building small projects using Node.js, Express.js, and MongoDB. You will also learn how to integrate third-party APIs into this. You will learn about how to integrate the third-party options. So third stage, we will teach you AI integration. So first stage, we will teach you complete the front end, back end basics. In the second stage, we will master the full stack development by designing small projects using all the front end and back end by integrating third party. In the third stage, we will teach you how to integrate AI into the applications. We will teach how AI APIs work. So like OpenAI, Hugging Face, and TensorFlow. We will add features like recommendations, how apps recommend users according to their interests. We will learn how to design chatbots. We will learn how to get image recognition. All these things we are going to add in the third stage. So first stage, you will learn basics. Second stage, you will master the full stack by building some full stack projects. In the third stage, you will learn how to add AI to the applications. Another important is after that, we are going to build the portfolio projects. That means we will create at least 2 to 3 AI powered projects. We will learn how to build smart dashboards. We will learn how to build personalized apps, anything depending on the situation and interest, we are going to do that, right? We are going to do. So technically, these are the basics. The fifth one depends on your interest. We will conduct some workshops on language chain and LLM apps and all. If you are interested, that is addition. That means you can attend those workshops and you can get more knowledge on these tools. That means AI feature into your existing apps. AI features we are going to add into your existing applications, right? So technically, these are the 4 stages of our course. These are the 4 stages of our course. So we will remember this is just outline. Detailed course content will be shared with you. We will share a detailed course content with you. This is just outline. That means level wise what you are going to learn. So foundation, so full stack mastery, AI integrations. You will learn how to integrate the AI. You will learn how to build the projects with AI powered interfaces, right? AI apps. and some workshops will help you in understanding some concepts like LLM apps and others also, right? So, but our main concentration will be up to 3, 4 stages. So foundation, full stack mastery, and AI integration and the projects. So inside concepts, every topic wise subtopics, what you learn in React, what you learn in HTML, CSS, these all we will share with you a concept of a complete course content. You can go through them, right? So technically, these are the basics of our modern UI concept. That means what is the main intention of the next generation web development is to make our people understand and learn AI tools inside user interface and build intelligent web applications. So this is what the basic idea of this course. So why I named this as generally next generation, because by adding the new layer of AI, so you can make your profile perfectly fit for the modern generation. That is our main intention actually. So this is to make you understand about our future plan and what we are going to train in the next coming batch. So earlier batches, we don't have this AI layer, but for those batches, we will give some inputs of AI tools. But the future batch that we are planning, so the next batch we are planning with all these contents, so and perfectly tailored for the building of intelligent web applications according to industry requirements in the current generation. So this is our main idea, right? So why you need to learn? Because mastering the fundamentals, understanding AI integration, so that means you will always have good demand in the market. So in future, so now this is the basic overview of this entire master class, right? So if you are interested, so I will take a hands-on understanding of some tools in the next level of workshop. That means in the next level of workshop, I will give an hands-on some idea. That means we will not teach you any practically, but I will give you some hands-on examples to understand how these intelligent apps will work actually. That means so that you will get a clarity on how the future apps can be designed and developed, right? So this is the intention of make you understand about the modern web development, right? I hope everyone is clear, everyone understood the concepts, right? So technically, we are going to start a new batch of next generation web development, and we will have one more workshop on understanding these AI tools integration in UI, so that you will get a clarity how intelligent apps are built. This is a roadmap of becoming a modern UI developer with artificial intelligence, and our plan of course conducting all these concepts, right? So I hope everyone is clear in this. And if you are interested in this, now we are going to start a new batch for this. You can scan this QR code and you can register yourself for this course. All the details about the fees and everything, so our admin will keep in touch with you. You can join our WhatsApp. This is the QR for registering for our next generation course of UI, React, and AI. This is the QR. And this QR is for WhatsApp. WhatsApp community is already shared in your chat box. Please check that. And this is for registration of the course. You can go through that. So I hope you got a clarity on what we are planning for the next. So in the next workshop, I will give you an idea about how AI tools can build an intelligent application, web application. So a hands-on overview I will give you so that you will get a clarity on how modern UI works. So after understanding that, you can plan into our new batch and you can join into our new batch so that you can start building the intelligent applications. Thank you very much for all your participation in this, and keep waiting for the next. Hope you are you understood. I go given a clarity on this, right? Right. Yeah. Thank you. So if you have any doubts, I will take some doubts from you so that I can check what you are looking for. Right. Yeah. If you have any doubts, please raise your hand so that I can get back to you. Right. Right. Yes, Deepak.
Okay, hello. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
yeah,
Yeah.
good afternoon.
So I have like two dots, and
Yeah.
I'm already interested in this next generation
Oh,
because right now I'll just give you the short intro. I'm working in a second largest MNC, and I
okay.
have a total it's like 7 years of experience.
Okay.
Initially, I was in a working on a CMS. That's now I'm working in as a UI developer.
Okay.
UI like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, and all. But
Okay.
it's like a coming days, my project is based on React actually.
Okay.
And it's in a January, February months, I need to work on a React part.
Okay.
And
Okay.
I don't have like idea about React and all. So
Huh.
yesterday I connected with admin team, and
Huh.
there is one batch already going. I started on October month.
Huh. Huh.
Okay,
But
so we
that October month means because all previous batches we are not scheduling with this content actually, right?
yeah, correct.
Yeah, yeah, because this is a new plan for with the new kind of environment and tools for the people. So,
Mhm.
and for previous people, we will give an overview, but here we will integrate because it's already started. Now it is our new plan. So in this new plan, we will start adding AI along with the learning of concepts. That's the reason it will be little different, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Got it.
Approach will be little different, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I am just thinking what because yesterday I connected to Siemens and just to discuss with tomorrow we have like a webinar so we will discuss with we
Huh.
can help you better. So that's why
Uh,
I'm asking in group call
sure.
actually. Yeah.
Because see,
So
if you are already aware of those concepts, means like basic of web development and others, you can
yeah.
join the previous batch and continue, right?
Mhm.
And whenever AI related some tools are trained on certain technologies, right? The you can attend those batches simultaneously,
Yeah, correct.
right?
Got it.
You
Yeah,
can
I
do.
was thinking the same. Yeah, I was thinking the same actually.
Huh.
So because it will
Because
be
if you
helpful.
already have an idea, then you can save your time.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and you can utilize that whenever the situation comes, you can attend those one, right?
I think 10 classes completed in a previous batch, almost 10 classes.
Haha.
10, yeah.
Yeah, you can continue in that. No issues.
Thank you.
Right. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, Praveen.
Sir, good afternoon. Very good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, so my doubt is I have started learning as a MERN developer and
Okay.
worked as a part of a UI project and
Hmm.
later on backend individual project on a TypeScript framework and front-end project based on Next.js framework and everything. Now,
Okay.
what you are saying is like industry is expecting the UI which has to be recommended automatically to the user who is using
Uh,
website.
Means you need to learn some additional AI tools that I showed you in this workshop, right?
Yeah, yeah.
If you can handle those and integrate to your existing system, that is enough.
Yeah, so I got a doubt and I have took the AI course, from AI
Actually,
from
you don't
Hyderabad.
need complete AI to deal with, right? That
Yeah,
means according to your profile, what suits for your profile, those tools are enough and necessary to handle. Others are
So,
not required, right?
yeah, so by the advancement, I'm going to complete 8 sessions, these AI, like NLP and
Mm.
these kind of course. And
Mm.
now recently they have generated these Hugging Face based on that UI. So
Okay.
the data that you are trying to use connecting through API, they have
Mm.
shown UI. So I'm
Mm.
thinking like why React we can't use that? I have a doubt. So
See,
right now you said,
React is just a front-end library, na? It
yeah,
is not a framework, right?
yeah.
Uh,
Okay. So, but in a data perspective, kind of a website like to show us the
Obviously,
data.
you will take help of Next.js, na? Server
Yeah,
side,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
React needs server side Next.js for
Yes.
working with your APIs and databases, na?
Yes.
Uh,
So right today now in recent sessions they started like deploying AI
Mhm.
with hidden with data recommendation. So now
Mhm.
we use AI API to integrate with our front end, sir, as you are saying with this today's session. Like
Mhm. Mhm.
so those AI APIs are available from Hugging Face. That is what you mean to say to the
Yes, yes. But you need a specific order to understand how the
yeah
process works. Flow is
yeah.
important. Just not like plug in some API. You need to understand the complete architecture of that, right?
Okay. Yeah, because I got confused because they have
Mm.
shown all of a sudden
See,
UI.
all of a sudden, if they had any AI tool in that, you can't handle if you don't know the
Yes,
complete architecture of where and how to integrate it, right?
yes, yes,
That
exactly.
is our idea here, to deliver in such a way that from architecture level, they need to understand where it is necessary and where it is not,
Okay,
right?
okay. Architecture point of view, we'll get a clarity how to use
Clarity here,
AI
because where which API services are required also important. You can't just plug in anywhere, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, that
And
is the main point here.
yeah,
Our idea
because
is to not just plug in, to
yeah,
make you understand the architecture about it.
yeah.
Okay.
And the trainer who is training us, she started learning React and everything, but
Uh,
I
See, a
understood like it
corporate
is
level training means just 2, 3 days. 1 week React will finish, right?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Not
that is
even 1 week, sir, 3 days.
means that they're always they ask for self-learning environment.
Yes,
They
yes.
just deliver you the infrastructure concepts and rest you have to explore by yourself, right?
This is outside training, sir, like I'm saying.
Acha,
But the
acha.
problem, yeah, but the problem is like all of a sudden it was shown in UI part. So I got
That
confused
is not
where
the
the
right
API.
approach. You can't manage like that, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
because even to crack interviews at experience level,
Mm.
architectural level questions are asked for experienced people, right?
Yes, yes. Nowadays they
Concept
are
based,
not
everybody
asking.
can answer, right?
Yeah, nowadays they are just not asking. They were stick to how good you are using AI tool to generate the code. But
Ha ha
here you
ha.
are saying like we'll say the architecture so that you can understand where it is necessary. And
Yes.
one very main thing is TensorFlow.js, which is based for the JavaScript developers who
Ha.
can integrate beautiful websites and everything with the data driven. Nobody is
Yes.
saying that is the like a difference that I can see that you have planned to
Yes,
deliver.
yes. Because that is what current industries are asking majority. So
Okay.
that's the reason we have to change our plan from traditional web to artificial web, right?
Okay. Yes, yes, exactly. So that's the reason how the business is running now, right?
Yes, yes, yes. That's
So
what we're planning for. Okay.
yeah, so TensorFlow is based on JavaScript only, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
But it is an
JavaScript.
AI based library.
Ha,
Okay, because no one is saying TensorFlow, but
ha,
we are seeing as a requirement in Naukri TensorFlow.
ha.
But I'm not able to
In
find
several
any.
requirements, you recently they are asking regularly. So
Yes.
we are planning to keep this in our curriculum.
Okay, okay. So this is very added advantage. TensorFlow would
Yes,
be
yes,
doing the
yes,
difference, I guess. Okay.
yes, yes, Praveen.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for
Yeah, thank you.
yeah.
Yes, Naveen. Yes, Swati.
Yeah, hi, Shiv. Mom.
Hi,
So
Swati.
I'm yeah, actually I'm already into UI full stack with React.
Okay.
So like if we enroll with this course, like it will be a repetition, right? Like is there any separate part, people will teach only AI
Ha,
related
ha, ha,
questions.
ha.
Helps you out.
For already existing batches which are going on, we will push them into this AI layer whenever this AI layer starts. So we will not ignore them, right? Okay.
It's a separate course again, sir. We need to
No, no,
enroll.
means you're already doing this, right? Course.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you finish this, we will train you on these AI. So all these concepts, AI layer also, we will give it to you, right? That will be helpful for you. Okay.
Yes. And sir, what about this agentic support? It is also part of AI for UI development. Like
But
target
we are
will be
not
on this.
completely into it, just a basic level. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir.
Because time doesn't permit for everything. So we will keep it up to basic level. Okay.
Like, sir, why don't you design it, the course which, totally support the UI part?
Duration
Because
becomes complex, right?
again,
Again,
again in
duration increases.
future, no
Yeah.
problem
See,
for
people are interested in that, right? But duration becomes little. That's the reason. So we'll plan about it. Okay. Yes, Naveen.
Hello, sir. Can you able to hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Naveen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good
So I
afternoon.
hold 1+ year of experience as an full stack developer. But
Uh,
coming to my end, I started working in back end that the most. I work
okay.
on PHP
Uh, uh,
previously. So
hmm.
I want to. Many of the companies are placing me as a requirement. React JS. They are asking me more into these requirements. So
Uh.
do I cover all these API integrations and gateway permissions and everything?
Yes. You will learn.
Okay.
Huh?
And as you told, right, you're using up AI things in this.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
in the step three, you have.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
may I know how does it work in real time scenario?
That's what
What
we will
example?
say. That's what I said. A hands-on flow about understanding technical things. We will conduct a separate workshop. You will get a clarity on that also. Okay.
May I know that workshop when does it
We will
start?
notify you. You join the WhatsApp community. We will notify
Yes.
you. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Yeah. Yes, Satendra.
Hello.
Yes, Satendra.
Yes, good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon.
Sir, actually, I'm a first year graduating student from
Um,
Bangalore of IT.
mhm.
So I'm not having any knowledge regarding any programming languages like C or this HTML. So,
Nothing. Here, nothing required because here we plan everything from very basic level, right? So, absolute fresher without any prior knowledge of technologies also they can attend this because we start from basic of web designing to all experience levels. So, you will not have any problem without any prior knowledge. Okay.
I'm not having any knowledge regarding any languages. So,
You can not required. You can manage everything. We will train here step by step. Okay.
okay, sir, and what would be the duration of this course?
This will be 5 months.
5-month course.
Uh,
Okay. Thank
okay.
you, sir.
Yeah. Yes, Durga Prasad.
Yeah, hi sir. Myself Durga Prasad.
Yeah.
I'm from US
Yes.
actually. I'm working
Yes.
in like one of the healthcare company called LabCorp.
Okay.
So, so I have a question. Like recently, we are developing like a few of the web applications. We are using like Cursor AI, Cloud AI. So
Hmm.
they are giving like a completely UI backend code, everything like how to develop the APIs and
Hmm.
everything. So
Hmm.
how this
No.
course
We
will
are
help us?
going to learn. See, if in any case you have to handle anything without that, then what you will do?
Yeah, that is also yeah, that is
Right? That is not the idea, right? So our idea is to make you as a developer so that you can utilize AI, but you will not depend on AI. Okay.
Okay.
That is the main intention, right? If you depend on that, then you are not a developer at all, right?
Correct.
You are not a developer, just like prompt engineering, right? You will learn
Right.
only learning prompting, right? You will not
Correct.
learn any coding. That is not our idea. So we will train you completely end to end how to build first. Okay.
Okay.
Then we will make you perfect in the modern AI technologies, how to handle them, how to use them. Okay.
Okay. So can we like there are some concepts like to develop agents for the UI. So are you going to include that?
Those are according to what UI needs, right? Not
Okay.
according to the general your project needs. That is depending on what UI needs. We will choose global and we will integrate them. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah. Yeah. Dhyaneshwar. Yes, Dhyaneshwar. Yes, Karthik.
Sir, you hear me firstly?
I can hear you.
Sir, I general ask question about sir. I graduate in a BSc computer, sir.
Yeah. Yes.
And in MNC companies like more others companies matlab, require MSc also.
Hmm.
Is the
But
requirement is
but our concept is integrating that into web development. Okay. Not
okay,
individual. Huh?
okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Dhyaneshwar.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I'm working on 2 years experience with full stack Java developer. Okay. Currently, here the requirement of the React JS. So, how much time will you take to
If you
develop a
want
full?
only React JS without knowing anything else, it's
No,
difficult.
no. I want also for
If you already, if you,
JS also in depth knowledge.
then it will take 5 months.
Okay. And what suitable time for this match?
They will indicate you. So mostly it will be same 11 o'clock. So we have a new batch. You can register. Our admin will get back to you. Okay.
Is there chances to ship this batch on
There are
7 a.m.?
various timings of batches. Our admin will schedule them. As of now, a new batch is coming from 11 a.m. from 17th onwards.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Tejas.
Hello.
Yes, Tejas.
Sir, nowadays, sir, company which technology use it to their development websites and softwares means React.js or HTML, CSS or that other technologies means which the language to use their websites.
That depends on the application they are working with, right? That depends on the client requirements and the existing technology requirements what they have. Based on that, they will choose. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, Mukesh.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Mukesh.
Yeah, could you listen me, sir?
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, sir. I'm a old student. Last means October 6th batch started now.
Mm-hmm.
So I wanted to know, sir, will you cover AI this AI era in the last batch?
We will attach you to AI batch whenever AI commences in that. Okay.
Yeah, okay, no issue, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you very much, all of you, for attending this. So we will have another workshop understanding these, what AI tools are used and where, and we will notify you about that. Thank you very much for your participation. Right. Thank you all.